I'm going to give you a quick tour of the blue Aero theme for your merchant control panel. And the thing to do, this is how it defaults into this theme. And if you come on down to panel settings, you'll see the blue Aero theme. Go ahead and select that theme and say yes, and you'll see the new theme come up. And the best way to describe this is very similar to Windows, because you can have multiple things open at once. Up here you have a start menu that has the things that are over in the left column in the other theme. So you can go direct to things from here, and it opens Windows, but you can see there's still that getting started window that was open is open, panel settings is open, and you just click the little X to close them. So if I don't need the getting started, I can click that X, and now I've got the reports open here, and I can click on quick report and it pulls a window open. One of the keys to these windows also is that you can refresh. This right here is a refresh, and you can click this little thing here to say I want it to refresh automatically every 10 minutes. And now 10 minutes from now it'll refresh this page. And when you're finished with something, you can close it here, or you can just close it directly up here. You'll also see there's a quick link area down here, Show Desktop, Campaign Manager, Banners Manager. I'm going to click on Affiliate Manager right here, and it'll pull up the affiliates. And if I have a bunch of windows open, I want to close them quickly, I just click the Show Desktop and it puts them all up in here, in the bar up in here. So I click this and it comes back up again. There's also a bar to the right called a sidebar that you can put widgets into. And it starts out with these widgets that you see here, including a quick actions I want to, and there's a list of quick actions you can choose here. Create a campaign, that type of thing. And you close this with this little arrow up here, and it closes over to the side, and then you just click it again and it opens. And it even has where you can add gadgets. You see this little plus sign. I'm going to click that, and there's a bunch of gadgets here, just like in igoogle.com, that type of thing, where you can add other tools to it that you want over in this sidebar. And let's just say I go to News and I want to add Google News. I just click that, and it actually added it down at the bottom here. And you can't see it with the window size, but I'm going to take this pending task and just drag it over here. And the traffic stats I'm going to drag over, so you can move your gadgets away from the sidebar. And like the search one, if I don't want it, I just click the X, it gets rid of it. And now you see Google News is a gadget that's over there. So you can add and remove gadgets as you wish using this. And again, I'm going to close this sidebar up, and you see these gadgets, these quick gadgets I can have up and around wherever I want. And then another thing that's nice about having the windows open is I can take two affiliates, like this one here. I'll click and it pulls up a window, and of course, just like Windows, I can resize it, and I can go to let's see, look at the stats here for this affiliate, and then I can go to another affiliate and open it and kind of shrink the window down and look at the stats on this one. And this allows you to compare two affiliates, let's say, side by side by looking at their stats. And so you compare back and forth. A lot of different ways you can use those to have multiple windows open. And when you're finished, again, you can close it or you can shrink them up. And finally, as a quick little thing that you're able to do, if you come here and let's close that up and go to panel settings, you see that you can do gadgets from here too, which ones are installed. And you can go to wallpaper and you can change this background wallpaper if you want to change the look of it. And then you can go back here and change back to the classic theme if you want. So it's a highly flexible theme that you can basically use to set up to use for all of your affiliate management very easily in one place.